Okay, so if you're running a business, you know the daily grind, right? It's a lot. But what if you had a blueprint to not just, manage the chaos, but to actually amplify your impact? Well, that's exactly what we're building today. Your personal AI blueprint. It's all about turning that tedious manual work into real strategic success. Let's dive in.
All right, first things first. Let's get real and paint a picture of the before. The everyday reality for so many businesses. You got to know where you are before you can figure out where you're going.
So, take a look at this. Be honest with yourself. Does any of this sound just a little too familiar?
Oh man, the endless manual reviews, right? We're making these huge calls based more on a gut feeling than on actual hard data. And maybe you've got different people on your team making totally different calls on the exact same kind of problem. And don't even get me started on the reports that take days to pull together. Then when someone asks why a decision was made, the only answer is professional judgment. Which, look, that's super valuable, but it's really hard to scale or even defend.
So, if that last slide hit close to home, this is where things get really exciting. We're going to completely reframe how we think about AI. See, it's not about replacing anyone, it's all about amplification.
And that brings us to the big idea, a strategic AI framework. The key word there is strategic. This isn't about just grabbing the latest, shiniest AI tool you see online. Nope. This is about building a system that is laser-focused on your business goals and, just as important, empowers your team.
This right here, this is the heart of it. Just let that sink in for a second. The whole idea is that AI is here to give your expertise superpowers. It handles the boring, repetitive stuff, which frees you and your team up to focus on the big picture work that honestly only a human can do.
So, you're probably asking, okay, great concept, but how do we actually do this? Well, it's not magic, it's a plan. And here it is, your practical, 3-step blueprint to make it all happen.
Your blueprint is built on 3 solid pillars. First up, strategy. This is where you define what success actually looks like. Second, execution. You bring that strategy to life with the right people and the right tools. And finally, and this is key, optimization. You measure everything, you learn from it, and you keep making it better. It's a simple, repeatable cycle.
And believe me, this framework gets results fast. We saw one business owner test this out with just a tiny pilot project. But here's what they did. They measured everything. And the results were so clear, so compelling, that in just 3 months, that little pilot became the new standard for the entire team. That just shows you the power of starting smart and letting the data prove you're on the right track.
But of course, let's be real, any big new thing is going to have some challenges. The trick is to see them coming. So let's talk about the common roadblocks you'll probably face, and more importantly, how to get right past them.
Okay, the first big one is misalignment. This is what happens when your team or your stakeholders all have different ideas about what you're even trying to do. The solution? You have to get out ahead of it. Set up clear rules and keep the lines of communication wide open from day one. You need everyone on the same page, rowing in the same direction. Next up, the classic problem. Not enough time, money, or people. We've all been there. So what do? You have to be absolutely ruthless with your priorities. Focus on the one thing that will give you the most bang for your buck. Ask yourself, what's one task that, if we automated it, would save my team the most hours this month? Start there. Then you use the success from that small win to build a powerful case for more resources. You let the results do all the talking for you.
And finally, there's the human element, resistance to change. People get skeptical, and you know what? That's totally natural. The key here is to bring them along for the ride. Educate them on what AI is and what it isn't, show them how it directly benefits them, and this is a big one. Get your biggest skeptics involved in the process. Give them some ownership. It works wonders.
So, once you've built your blueprint, you've navigated the challenges, what's it all look like? What's the destination? Let's take a look at the incredible transformation. This is what we mean by your business amplified.
I mean, look at this. The contrast is just night and day. On the left, you've got the before, slow, manual, inconsistent. And on the right, the after. You've shifted to AI-assisted review, your expertise is now informed by data, and you're getting insights rapidly. That's the game-changing transformation we're talking about.
And I want you to remember this. Your expertise is still your most important asset. You always have the final word. The difference is that now your gut feeling, your professional judgment, is backed by layers of data and patterns that no human could ever possibly spot on their own. It really is the best of both worlds. So we'll end on this question.
thinking about everything you do in a day, in a week. What is the first small, repetitive, manual part of your business that you could amplify using this blueprint? Give that some thought, because that right there, that's where your journey begins.